Stop powering your Cyberdeck like it's a toy. So here's the thing, if you want good runtime and a system that won't die on you, you need to stop guessing and start calculating. Let's go over how to build a proper power supply for your Cyberdeck. First, calculate the total power needed by your system. So power is equal to voltage times current. Assuming you're using a Raspberry Pi 4 that needs 5 volts at around 3 amps, and maybe your screen needs 5 volts at 0.5 amps, which gives us a total of 15 plus 2.5 equals 17.5 watts for the simple Raspberry Pi and screen system. Now let's account for time. We need a metric called watt hours. To find that, just divide milliamp hours of your power bank by 1000, then multiply it by the nominal voltage of your power bank, which is usually around 3.7. So for a 20,000 milliamp hour power bank, that gives us around 74 watt hours. We're not living in a perfect world here, so let's assume only 80% of that energy is actually used and the rest of it is wasted as heat. That translates to around 59 watt hours of usable energy. Okay guys, you're doing great so far. Stay with me. If the power bank has 59 watt hours of usable energy, we can divide that by the total power draw of our system that we found earlier to find out how many hours we can run for. So 59 watt hours divided by 17.5 watts yields around 3.3 hours of runtime. So here are some hardware selection tips for picking your power bank. First, look for a USB PD power bank. It communicates with the Cyberdeck, negotiating the exact voltage and current required. It is significantly more stable than traditional power bank. Next, look for something called pass-through charging, which basically allows your power bank to charge while simultaneously powering your Cyberdeck. Cabling is so important. Never use thin budget cables. Don't buy a budget power bank. You'll pay for it in ruined work and troubleshooting. Buy certified, do the math, and you have a good power supply. For more electronics tips, give me a follow and subscribe to the newsletter in my bio where I plan on sending out in-depth tutorials about how to build things.